Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Welcome to Mastering Fraction Lesson 7, where we are going to add mixed fraction with common denominator. Let's start with question number 1. We have 1 over 4 plus 2 1 over 4. We have a mixed number with the same denominator. Here LCM is equal to 4, and we'll add the whole number with the whole number and fraction with a fraction. So 1 plus 2 plus fraction with a fraction, which is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. This is equal to 1 plus 2, we got 3. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. We add the numerator, we get 2 over 4. Question number 2, we have 2 5 over 6 plus 2 3 over 6. We'll take whole number plus whole number and fraction with fraction. That is 2 plus 2 plus the fraction part, which is 5 over 6 plus 3 over 6. It will give us 2 plus 2, 4. 5 over 6 plus 3 over 6. We get 8 over 6. 4, 8 over 6. This is the same as the whole number 4. But 8 over 6 is the same as 1 over 3 in mixed number. I'll take the whole number plus whole number. We're going to get 5 and 1 over 3. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.